As some of you guys already know, I have two Skylines. One is the black one, and the other is the red one, which you guys have been seeing recently. The black one, I pulled the engine out, I think it was like 6 months ago, because I lost compression in cylinder 6, and I had to get it rebuilt. And then the red car was kind of like the replacement while I was getting it rebuilt, because I like the car a lot, so I got another one. But right in front of me, right here, is my rebuilt RB25. Ready for it? Here you go. Yay. So it's just a short block right now, but I will be putting it all together here. So this is kind of just like a stock rebuild. One thing I've upgraded was the oil pump drive right here. And this is the Nitto extended collar, meaning this part right here, the contacts, the oil pump is longer, because OEM is like, it's like right there and it barely touches the oil pump. So that's a nice little upgrade. Pistons overbore by 0.5 millimeters. So now it's 86.5. Can't really see it, but it's got all ARP hardware and it's got GTR rods. They're the exact same thing as RB25 rods, except GTR is thicker, so it's going to be stronger. Pretty much all I've done to the block. And then I've got the head sitting over here, and that got fully rebuilt as well with the Tomei 256 camshafts. First thing to do, put in all the ARP head studs, and then I've got the Tomei head gasket here. Slap the head on, do the water pump, timing belt and all that. And I've already checked torque on everything here. Make sure the machine shop didn't miss anything. So I think we are good to go to assemble this. So this is the car that this engine is going in. Absolute mess right now, but hopefully I have it cleaned up here soon. Anyways, let's grab those head studs. I think I've got them in the trunk. There they are. Yeah, it's just parts all over the place. I gotta remember how this thing goes back together. ARP head studs are in, head gasket is on, and this is the Tomei 1.2 millimeter, and here's the head. Super clean, just rebuilt. Look at these valves. It's got the little Nissan logo on them. Alright, let's throw this thing on. So, currently torquing down the head, and I had to remove the camshafts because this socket didn't fit in between this little, where is it? It didn't fit in between there. Reason being because ARP hardware is bigger than the OEM ones. Here's the OEM one, just a little hex key. So, kind of annoying, but I had to do it. So it says 3 even torques up to 90 foot-pounds, and I've already done the 2 steps. So I'm going to do the last step to 90 foot-pounds, and the head should be under for good. Okay, I got the head torqued and the camshafts are back in. And these are the Tomei 256 cams, both sides, intake and exhausts. New valve stem seals, 3-angle valve grind, the Tomei 1.2mm head gasket, And also, I got this little thing added on, and this is an oil drain from the back of the head, and it'll just go right around here into here. Yeah, there is a problem with these RBs, and the oil tends to stay up in the head, which would empty out the oil pan, and then that would cause bad stuff like blowing out your bearings or something. Now, I didn't record this part, but I got the timing belt and all the stuff back on. So I did the cam seals, both sides, new timing belt, got the gears on, new OEM water pump, new tensioner, new idler, new oil pump, and then I also got these new plates that holds the belt in place, and also a new woodruff key. Yeah, and of course I'm using OEM gaskets for everything. The front part all taken care of, and now I'm gonna put that oil pan in. That's also brand new OEM. Everything assembled on the engine. Thing is ready to go back in the car. Finally, after like what, 6 months? Yeah, so that's all together. I'm just gonna clean up the engine bay a little bit, and then we can put the clutch, flywheel, and the transmission on, and then throw it back in the car. Alright, clutch, flywheel is in, transmission is on. This thing is fully assembled and ready to throw in the car. We got the Nell here, about to help me out.
We got random dogs. Sam, go handle it. Fuck you if you need to. Past all this.
2 hours later.
Dang, look what you finally got done.
Yeah, this car has been sitting for what, 7 months, and we finally got the engine in.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. Yeah, nothing is hooked up yet, but I'll be doing our next video. So, yeah, it's finally in. We got the motor mounts on, we got the tranny mounts on.
Well, you've been waiting for like parts and machining work and all that.
Oh yeah, my machine shop kind of screwed me over for like a month, but so it should have been done like a month ago, but yeah, I finally got it back. So yeah, that's in. I also want to show you guys one more thing.
Have I even seen this? Is it the shifter?
Yes.
Oh man. He showed me this the other day. He was like super impressed with it.
So I put in the Nismo short shifter, and this thing feels way better than the stock one. Like
It's funny because I couldn't really tell the difference between the two. I mean the two shifters.
By looking at it?
Yeah, by looking at it.
Yeah, by looking at it, they look identical. But the Nismo reduces the throw by like 10% or something, and it makes it feel more solid. Yeah.
You know, like a lot of the slop is gun. It feels good though.
Yeah. So,
it's a worthy purchase, yes?
yes. I haven't even driven it yet, and I already think it's worth it. So, yeah, we're gonna end it there. So for our next video, we're gonna hook everything up on this car and hopefully start it up. So, yeah. See ya.